In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a LinkedIn company page. We'll walk through the process from your LinkedIn dashboard all the way to the final page creation screen, so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard. This is your main LinkedIn home area, and it's where you'll access the tools needed to create a business presence on the platform. If you're already signed in, you should be able to reach this screen right away. Before moving forward, make sure you're logged into the correct LinkedIn account, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the top row of the page and find the For Business dropdown. This menu contains LinkedIn's business-related features, including options for pages, advertising, and other professional tools. Click on For Business to open that menu and view the available choices. From there, select Create a Company Page. This will take you to the Page Setup area, where LinkedIn asks what type of page you want to build. This step is important because LinkedIn offers different page categories depending on what kind of organization you represent. When the options appear, click on Company. You may also see choices like Showcase Page or Educational Institution. But for a standard business page, Company is the correct option. Selecting the right page type helps ensure your page is set up with the proper structure from the start. At this stage, it's important to know that LinkedIn may require you to have enough profile strength or enough connections before you can create a company page. If you don't currently meet that requirement, LinkedIn may prevent you from continuing. So if the option isn't available or you see a limitation message, that's likely the reason. In that case, you may need to build up your account a bit more before trying again. Once you've selected company and you're allowed to proceed, fill in your brand details. This typically includes your company name and other basic business information LinkedIn asks for. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate, since these details represent your brand publicly. After entering the information, check the verification box to confirm that you're authorized to create the page on behalf of the business. Then click Create Page. And that's it. Once you complete that final step, your LinkedIn company page will be created and ready for you to start building out. From there, you can continue improving it with branding, descriptions, and content. But getting the page created is the first big step